Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix OBS not capturing game. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If OBS is not capturing your game, there could be several reasons behind it. Here are some troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. First method, right-click on the OBS shortcut or executable and choose to click Run as Administrator. This can help bypass any permission-related issues that may be preventing OBS from capturing the game. Next method, in OBS, make sure you're using the correct capture source for the game. Use the game capture source instead of window capture or display capture if possible, as it's usually more reliable for capturing games. Next method, sometimes simply restarting OBS and the game can resolve temporary glitches or conflicts. Another method, make sure you're using the latest version of OBS and that your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated software or drivers can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Another method, some games may have specific graphic settings that can affect capture compatibility. Try adjusting the game's graphic settings, such as changing between full screen and windowed mode, to see if it helps. Another method, in OBS, go to Settings, Advanced, and disable Enable Source Hardware Acceleration. This can sometimes resolve capture issue, especially with certain graphics cards. And lastly, if game capture isn't working, try using window capture or display capture instead. Be aware that these methods may not work, as well as game capture for some games. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.